G'day guys, Kelvin from the Catering Company in New Zealand. I'm playing ECUs. We've got USA, which is the same as that one. Oh man, yeah, same as that one. It's a Relentless. That one's been rebuilt by Relentless and it's come over to me. I'm actually playing Immobilizer deletes on this one, which is USA, and this one, which is UK. Notice the white plugs. Now, guys say white plugs is always Immobilizer. It's almost always Immobilizer. Well, guess what? That's JDM. White plug, not Immobilizer. Oh. That's a reman. JDM reman. So this is why it's got a Denso number and not a Toyota number on it. That's USA Immobilizer. This is an earlier non-Immobilizer. Still. Oh, and these are all UCF20s. These ones. And if we look inside, this one's actually going for a repair. We've got a leaking cap. That one. We'll zoom in, eh? See the burntness? Yeah, so that's getting repaired. This one is a JDM that's just had a repair over here. And that's had some new caps. It was a pretty tidy. That's going to be a stock unit for me, a test unit. Now, pay attention. There's a cap here. Pay attention to this piece of the board here. JDM. I should have said this one's from Oz. It's from Australia. This one here is from the UK. And you'll see over there it looks very much like the JDM one. And we actually have board numbers. So there's the board number of this UK Spec ECU. Then we go to the US one. Remember there was a cap over here? Well, that's gone. But we got another unit over here. Wonder if I can put the two of them together. See, as I said, this one was rebuilt for a Josh. New caps. Did a tidy up over there. It's looking nice and clean and tidy. Nice, neat, clean, tidy work. This one hasn't been rebuilt. Now, I always worry when I open them or look at them and it's got stuff like this. It's kind of a suggestion there's been some water in there. Now, this one is a OBD2 ECU. Can I put the two of them together? Oh, it's a bit of a mish. Oh, yeah, kind of. So we can see it's different on the boards. Different board number. There's the board number. But I suspect these all have different board numbers. Yeah, that one's different. Oh, no, that one is the same. That is JDM. This is actually Europe General. Yeah, Europe General. That's Europe General and that's USDM. But both this one here and that JDM actually have the same board. That's one of the quite sought after upgraded ECUs. That's a, where is it? 50380. This one is a 50350, so that's immobilized. This one, and it's a 50341. And this is a, this one, 261. I'm fitting a lot of these at the moment because a lot of guys are buying replacement ECUs for their swaps and then finding that they don't run because they've bought an Immobilizer ECU. It's easier to try and find non-Immobilizer ECUs, but we're going to see this more and more in these non-VVti UCF20s as they're becoming more prevalent in swaps around the world. which is interesting because here in New Zealand, UCF20 swaps are just about all gone. We're moving into VVti's, and they're just about all gone because the dirt track guys used all them up. And we're really big on 3Zs over here, so we're actually kind of ahead of everyone in a lot of ways. So watch out for those Immobilizer ECUs. I have another video on Immobilizer ECU stuff. The white plug doesn't always mean it's got a Immobilizer, but it's a high indication. In 95 on, in the US and UK, they splashed them into some submodels, but they don't all do it, which is really cool. Now, did I mention there's a pinout difference between that one and that one? UK and USDM have different pinouts for the Immobilizer units. Go figure. Okay, so watch that. There are differences in these. OBD1 to OBD2, differences in that. And that UK, or the USA one, is OBD2. 100% that's a OBD2. Hope that's been helpful, just looking at some ECUs. And talk to you soon. Catch you later.